So good evening one and all. So in the previous session, we have discussed about the geosynthetics in roads and slopes, slope failure, the causes of the slope failure. So what the slope failure is. So in the previous one, we have studied about the properties of the slope failure. The properties of means the materials, height of the structure, inclination. So in details, so we are talking about the slope inclination. The inclination of the slope is the most important parameter. The height and additional load will be there. If the additional load and the height will be the parameter for the slope failure. Excessive pore water pressure, loss of shear strength due to weathering, maybe raining, and other parameters, maybe sometimes the air, the liquefaction when the lateral loads will be there. Because of the lateral load, the soil will convert. If the water will be enter into soil mass, the soil will convert into liquid form. That is called the liquefaction. The infiltration and seepage is the parameters for the slope failure. Here this picture shows everything. So here the first one, bedding planes. So what the planes will be there below the soil mass, the steepness of the slope, what the inclination will be there, lack of vegetation. So if there will be a plain surface, so maybe the effective. So that's why the vegetations are very important on the surface of the slope. And here the sudden shocks will be there, maybe earthquake or any other dynamic load, and sometimes the blast will be affected. When it will be affected, sometimes the pore, so water pore will be entered into the soil mass. The soil becomes the liquid form or semi-liquid form. It's lose its shear strength and bearing capacity. So that will be very effective for the failure of the slope. And joints of fractures where cracks will be there due to the shocks, maybe dynamic loads or lateral loads, excessive water and inadequate drainage, loose soil composition. So these are the parameters which affect the slope failure. And here, for avoiding the slope failure, they will provide the geotextile. So this table is very important by Duncan and Wright. So here two parameters, one is soil strength and shear stress. If the decrease in the soil strength, what will happen? Increase the pore pressure, so it will be very effective. Cracking, swelling, development of slick and slides, decomposition of clay rock fills, creep under sustained loads, leaching, strain softening, cyclic loading. So when the decrease in the soil strength, when the increase in the shear strength, loads at the top of the slope, water pressure in cracks at the top of the slope, increase in soil weight, change in the water content due to the change in the water table, excavation at the bottom of the slope can be man-made or due to the erosion at the base slope, change of slope grade, drop in water level at base of slope, dynamic loading. So these are the properties or parameters which affect the slope failure. Thank you. In the next session, we will study about the slope failures.